If you've been spending hours editing and still not able to make enough money or views, maybe you've been doing it all wrong. If you miss this one shift happening on YouTube right now, you will stay stuck editing while others blow up. Give me just 4 minutes to prove that the fast-paced, dopamine-driven editing style we thought was the secret. Turns out it's just noise now. I've been there, spending nights perfecting every cut and transition, thinking more editing meant more results, and that's when I came across.
Hi, I am Abhay and I have 6+ years of experience in video editing.
Immediately, something clicked. I mean, he was literally talking about editing while proving you don't need crazy editing to keep people watching. But how? Honestly, there's no one better to explain this shift than Abhay himself.
So, the average human attention span is around 8 seconds, and for years, creators optimized their videos according to that number. Some even went as far as changing the frame every 1.6 seconds, trying to hold attention through pure simulation. But here's the problem. Too much dopamine-driven content created what I call the dopamine fatigue. People got tired, their brains stopped reacting, they stopped enjoying the high retention edits that once felt exciting. That's when the game changed.
Audiences started craving authenticity, moments that feel real. They wanted pauses, imperfections, content that felt shared, not just produced. So the creators who slowed down, who focused on story, tone and authenticity started winning. And we kept thinking why the same creators keep winning again and again and again.
The priority now is not saving bad scripts using over editing anymore. It's presenting great scripts through simple but purposeful editing. Editing is not the main character now. It never was. Editing was supposed to be a supporting character जिसे content को present किया जा सके, but लोगों ने editing को ही main content बना दिया. Well, that sounds like me. The real main character of any video was always supposed to be you, your story, your pacing, your personality. And somewhere along the way, we all forgot that.
So that begs the question, what does this shift actually look like? It comes down to 3 core things. Number 1, story over style. Editing can make a video look good, but it alone can't make a good video. For the longest time, I was trying to force it. Heavy edits, crazy motion graphics, flashy transitions. But it simply did not work. Then in one video, I took a massive risk. For years, I've been doing retention editing. Cutting faster, adding more effects, chasing retention graphs. And I was scared if editing less would even work for my channel. But the results proved me completely wrong. See, every cut, every frame, every moment should serve what you're saying. It should not be there to just look good, because no one remembers how cool the motion graphics were. They only remember the moment that made them feel something.
The second thing is intentional silence and space. Silence, which used to feel like a mistake, is now a tool. Because when you pause, when you step back for a moment, you give your audience time to breathe, to process what just happened, and to anticipate what is going to come next. That's called breathing space. And most creators have forgotten it. If you fill every second with tight cuts, flashy transition and background music, you don't give people time to connect with you. Because today, connection matters more than perfection. Those views on your videos, they are not just numbers, they are real people. And people don't watch you because you have got the best camera or the best setup. They watch you because you feel real. And that takes us to our next point.
Personality is the new production. See, none of your high production quality matters if you look like everyone else. Don't make the same mistake like Bollywood is doing. Because in 2025, every viewer is subconsciously looking for a story arc that's different from others. They want to see you evolve from being unsure to confident, from struggling to figuring it out, from learning to teaching. That's the hero's journey people actually care about. It's not just for the movies, it's for creators too. So your edit should highlight the arc, not hide it. Let the flaws show, let the pauses stay. Because that's what makes your story human. You need to keep your videos raw.
एक second. ये तो script में था ही.
And hey, if this made you rethink the way you will create content in 2026,
don't forget to like and subscribe.
And ask yourself, will people remember your editing?
Or will they remember you?
Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now.